Okay.
36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, or driving, or smoking. And when your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, Mr. Patway. I'm sorry. Can you give me, just give me 1 second, everyone. Can you give me your dollars? Versus Tania Rodales, ticket number SP 1288206, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Harris.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Fitzgerald Harris, badge 1442, Detroit Police Department.
And Judge Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, could you state your name for the record? Ms. Rodales.
Hi, my name is Tony Rodales.
Yes. So it's my understanding that we have valid documentation. It was going to be a dismissal.
Have you looked at it, or was it Mr. Griffin? Mr. Rodales, do you have your insurance?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I do. I have it with me in my work truck right now.
Are you in your work truck?
Yeah, I already loaded up. They're just changing the tire on the Amazon van.
Can you just pull it? Can you put it up to the camera?
Yes, ma'am. Give me 1 second. Right there.
Closer. I can't see it. Can you get any closer?
I can put the camera around. Give me 1 second. Can you see it?
Okay, and I see it, Your Honor. It looks like it's effective as of she keeps moving though. 12/5/22, expiration 6/5/23, and that is I'm not sure about USA Underwriters. Okay, thank you, Ms. Rodales.
Thank you. With that, you got a motion, Mr. Werbling.
Judge, we'll move to dismiss for those reasons. Valid documentation.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice, as the defendant does have valid documentation. Have a good holiday, Ms. Rodales. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. I do have a quick question. For the payments, once that's done, I don't got to worry about anything else.
Your payments for
The other, because I had 3 tickets in total.
yes. I mean, I think if you had civil infractions that went into default, then yeah, you need to pay that. Oh,
Okay,
yes.
so I just. Okay, so once I'm done finish paying those, I'm good.
You should be if you don't have any other tickets.
No, ma'am.
Okay, then you should be fine.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Officer Harris.
People versus Arthur Drew, ticket number P1364148, count 1, driver registered on untitled vehicle, count 2, drove out unlicensed, and count 3, improper plate. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Corporal McCree.
Corporal McCree, badge 2865.
Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant. Sir, could you state your name for the record, please?
Arthur Lee Drew Jr.
And Judge, it's my understanding that My client wishes to plead to count 3 as charged. That's the improper plates, which does not carry any points. It won't show up on his driving record. And counts 1 and 2 would be dismissed.
Okay, raise your right hand, sir. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. Have you had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Werbling in private about your case and your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to June 15, 2022 at 7:31 p.m. on that date and time. Were you at or near Grand River and Mansfield in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
You're driving a 1997 Plymouth vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Werbling?
Yes, Judge.
Court also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. You stipulate the probable cause as to counts 1 and 2 to be dismissed.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
You're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Mr. Drew, there's a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by January 27th?
Yes, I can.
Any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you're all set. Have a good holiday. Good luck to you, sir.
You too, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Corporal, McCree, you still got one more, Debonair Ridley. I think they're working on that.
Yeah, I need to speak with Mr. Griffin. I'm not sure what he's saying to the clients because I don't think he has offers. So,
You need an offer for MC Daniels, Mr. Werbling?
Yes, Judge.
Ben,
Yes,
why
you
you
did.
sound like that?
You can offer on that one. I think that's the one that what's the name was begging for, Mr. Griffin. That's what you seen as an accident. What about, wait, who do you have? Otter?
So, Judge, I have DeAndre Davis. That was an arraignment. Debonair Ridley, which we're close to having that one resolved. Canetta Riddle, which is with Corporal Spadell.
All right, so what about Delando Davis?
Yep, Delando
right?
Davis, that officer's here. I guess my client has some documents. And then Leon Doro, we were trying to resolve that one.
All right, well, let's bring out Davis Wright.
Okay.
We got?
Yes, please. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Davis. Let me find him.
25.
Got him.
I have to go get him.
Okay, I just for him to come out to the mainstream.
You might have to go get him, Mr.
Okay, I'll be right back, Judge.
He is in room number 25. Are you?
I can't get him out of there. No one's responding. Try again.
It's 11:05. You don't don't come out, he just go, if he don't come out, we gonna give him a pretrial date and he'll start all over again.
We trying to bring up.
Okay. Here he is. Mr. Davis Wright, could you get somewhere quiet?
I'm about to go to a meeting. I'm about to go to a meeting.
I got a meeting. Wright, you are in court.
No, I'm good. I'm good. Hello?
Are you ready, Mr. Wright?
I've been ready.
No, you haven't been. 36.
I've been ready for the last two hours.
36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, driving a car. When your name is called, please give your full undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the people versus Delando Davis Wright. Ticket number P1359643, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, expired plates, count 3, defective bumper, fender, or windshield. Ticket number P1359671, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please take your names to the record, starting with Corporal Kropic.
Corporal Kropic, badge 775, officer for the city of Detroit.
And good morning, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Davis Wright, say your name, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Lando A. Sean Davis Wright.
All right, Mr. Werbling.
Judge, I believe we have some documentation, correct, Mr. Davis, right? You have a valid license, insurance, and plates?
Yes, sir. I have all that photocopy.
And did you fix the defective equipment?
No, I did not get a chance to fix my windshield.
The windshield, so.
And Your Honor, Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, P70303. Do we have a Secretary of State record for Mr. Davis Wright in the file? I'd like to confirm whether that license is valid.
Yes, we do.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, his license is restricted.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. That's valid with restrictions. Thank you so much.
All right, so with that, Ms. Horn, are you okay with pleading responsible to the civil infraction defective bumper, as he does have valid insurance, and valid registration and license?
Absolutely, Your Honor. No objection.
Mr. Wortman, you did see those documents?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. All right, so Mr. Davis Wright, you want to plead responsible to the defective bumper, or we can go to trial? We see Corporal Kropic is present, ready to go to trial. So what do you want to do?
It has no point, sir. It's just a fine.
Okay, yeah. I'll plead effective to the bumper.
With that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket, Mr. Werbling?
Yes, we do, Judge.
All right, and you stipulate to probable cause and for the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice?
We do, Your Honor.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of 120 days. Because this is a civil infraction, you get 14 days to pay it, but because it's a holiday, it's kind of getting messed up. So can you have it paid by January 12th?
January 12th. How much would it be?
It's $120.
Yes, Your Honor, I can have that paid.
Any questions?
So I'm just, so that's the only thing I have to pay is just the defective bumper windshield.
That's it. Everything else being dismissed, sir.
Okay, sounds great.
All right. Good luck to you, sir. Have a good holiday.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Davis Wright, for your honesty.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
No problem. You guys have a wonderful holiday.
Okay, you too. Thank you,
too.
Corporal.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Corporal Tyree Davis. Did Mr. Griffin tell you to come out, Mr. Davis?
Yes.
Ms. Cole just
Did you
emailed me.
guys talk?
Okay, Mr. Herman is, I have to let him in the breakout room. Something happened. So I unlocked the room for a minute.
Oh,
I'm waiting for him to come in.
Judge, I might, bring out-
Do you have even, Mr. Workman, do you have even or do you have odd?
I lied, Judge. So I had DeAndre Davis Johnson. I think it's just one count of no insurance, which he has. I'll bring him out if that's okay, Judge.
Leon Duro.
I have him, Judge. He has some documents. But he was looking for a resolution with the remaining counts.
His is operating vehicle passenger.
Oh, that's true too. I forgot about that. So, right. Well, yeah, that's true. He has the open alcohol.
Yeah, and you want to set it for trial?
Yeah, probably. I'll bring him out, Judge. I'll be right back.
Okay. Mr. Griffin, you ready on Tyree Davis?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the People versus Tyree Davis, ticket number SP 1059946, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your full name for the record.
Well, Tyree Davis.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that I did speak with my client. I indicated to him his rights. He told me that he wanted to continue his not guilty plea and set this matter for a bench trial, waiving his right to a jury trial. Is that correct, sir?
Correct.
And Your Honor, I will note for the record that this today is a show cause. We'll ask the court to respectfully set aside the show cause.
All right, the court will set aside the show cause. Raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. Do you understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for January 27th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
At the camera.
You're all set, sir. Have a good holiday.
Same to you.
Thanks. Are these?
Yeah, those are so cold. These are cages. That's the yesterday.
Oh, this from yesterday?
Yeah. I'm never been our way on it now.
Okay, and then I need to run. I'm sorry, give me 1 second.
Make sure you find out this is on Zoom.
Excuse me, we are in court. You have to remain quiet.
Okay.
This is the People versus Leon Duro, ticket number SP 1349186, count 1, operating open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Leon Darrow.
Your Honor, this may be Attorney Workman's case. I don't mind taking it.
Oh, I think it is. Are you just going to trial, Mr. Darrow?
Yes.
Okay. And that's the bench trial?
Yes.
And I explained to him the difference, Judge.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Darrow. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
And you can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
A street trial. Okay.
You say yes or no?
Okay. Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for January 27th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
You're all set, sir. Have a good holiday.
You too.
Hang up.
I don't know if he usually shows, but if Corporal Spadell was here.
He's here.
Oh, he's here. Okay, so then, Miss Horn, did you mind if Miss Riddle just pleads for the unregistered and the no insurance is dismissed?
Oh, she's on mute. And also, Ms. Horn, I would like to talk to you. in the
No, I'm
breakout
on. I'm
room.
not on mute. I'm just reviewing.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
I'm on mute while I review. Improper plates, right? Because I think that is what I
Yeah, that's
exchanged.
even better. Yeah, I explained that to Miss Riddle. I think she'd be willing to accept that.
She's only got 2, right?
Yes. And it
Okay.
has no points and it won't show up on her driving record. Great.
Yep, that's what I think I
Thanks, Miss
discussed with
Horn.
him. And okay, and Mr. Sorry about that, Mr. Griffin.
Not a problem. Attorney Horn, I have 1, 2, 3. I was requesting a breakout room with you because I have.
Yes, yeah, I was waiting on you because I saw you in there with other clients. I didn't want to go in.
No, you're fine.
I'm working on Ridley.
Okay.
That's
So when you're finished, I have one client that has valid documentations, and I just need a offer on 2 or 3 others.
Okay, so who's the client who has documentation?
Lenorna Reynolds.
You know, I think I wrote something for her. I believe it's on the bench because I remember her name.
She has insurance. She presented insurance and registration. I can forward that to you.
And I think it might be just to the FTD.
I don't.
You did write an offer to FTD.
Thank you, Your Honor.
FTD for what though?
The count number 1, LaRonda Reynolds, license improper.
Okay, so FTD and then dismiss the other charge?
Correct, Attorney Griffin, yep.
Not a problem. I'll talk to her about that.
Okay, and I'll go in a breakout room with you, and you want to join one?
I will. I'll join.